AI generated cat vlogs are super easy to make, and I'm going to teach you how to do it in this video right here, right now. So head to the descriptions and click on the link to Zebracat. This is a AI that can generate complete videos just from a single prompt. Zebracat lets you paste your text and will automatically create a video with stock clips, transitions, and even captions. It includes camera directions, character details, and locations that will match the trends that are going on right here. And in just a few minutes, you have a video ready for you to post. If you don't like what you see, you can change it within Zebracat. All you have to do is go and type in what you don't like, and the AI will change it for you. For example, you can tell to optimize it for TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. You want to add engaging subtitles or even transitions and emojis. So this is the final video right here. Now you probably think that this was made with owned by a real video editor. You're complete. Nope. It's made by Zebracat, completely by this AI. Crazy, right? Try it out now, and if you want to learn more about how to create videos with Zebracat, let me know and I will send you a full guide. Check out the next video.